Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check my flight status online on Etihad Airways. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I have done right here. So how can you create an account on Etihad Airways? Launch in the browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type etihad.com. Of course, once you do that, that's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. In there, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to check my flight status online on Etihad Airways. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner where you have Book, Manage, Check-in, and Flight Status. So go ahead and click on Flight Status, and it's going to take you to this window. So you can check for the flight number, and you can use your origin and destination, or you can use your flight number details, whichever one is easier for you. So you can check flight number and enter Etihad flight number and your departure date. Then go ahead and click on Find. Then, or you can choose to enter the origin and destination, that's from, to, and go ahead and click on Find. Now, once you click on Find, it's going to take you to the next window where you will now be able to see your flight status, and you'll be able to track your flight from there. So as you can see, it's pretty much the process. It's easy that way. So head over here where you have Book, Manage, Check-in, Flight Status. Select Flight Status. You can either choose to enter your flight number and click on Find, or you can select origin and destination at your from, to, departure date. Ensure that it's accurate, the details are accurate, and go ahead and click on Find. And once you click on Find, it's going to take you to the next window where you're going to see your flight status, and you'll be able to track your flight from there. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.